Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Rubik's Cube checkerboard pattern with the 3x3 of course. So yeah, let's get started. So pretty much you can start from anywhere, so I'm just going to put it on a random color, like maybe like this. So what you want to do is you want to turn the middle layer twice. So 1, 2, and then flip the cube to the left, like that, and then flip the cube, and oh wait, no, don't do that. Turn the middle layer twice again, 1, 2, and then flip it forward, I guess, bam, and then flip, and then turn the middle layer 2 times again, 1, 2, and then you're done. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, I know, right? Yeah. So, how do you undo it? Well, it's pretty simple. Turn the middle layer this way, like to the right. So, 1, and then 2, flip the cube back, and then it's like this, and then right, 1, 2, and then right again, 1, 2. I hope that helped, and then that's the tutorial on how to do that. So bye.